Takeaways are a bit of a luxury, especially with the cost of living, so I'm gonna see if it's cheaper and quicker to make prawn toast at home. Let's raise a takeaway. Yeah, could I please get one order of prawn toast? £14 including delivery. Okay, I'll see you in 40 minutes. So, takeaways ordered, I'm gonna start making my version. So I have 250 grams of raw prawns here, straight into the food processor, 2 spring onions, 1 chili, 3 cloves of garlic, because I like it garlicky, an inch of ginger, some sesame oil, soy sauce, don't know why I said it like that, some soy sauce. Gonna crack an egg in. I paid £7.50 for all of this, which is way cheaper than the takeaway, and I'm hoping we're gonna get more than what I'm gonna get delivered. Okay, I think that looks all right. I'm guessing that it should be a fairly thick, spreadable consistency, but I'm also going to chop up these last few prawns and stir them in. So maybe I'll just do that quickly now. This looks so rank. This looks disgusting. If you click off, I won't blame you. Oh my God, it's on its way. I'm gonna heat up my oil while I prepare the rest of the prawn toast. I'm gonna brush my bread with some sesame oil so that the mixture sticks a little bit better. Ooh, chunky. And then I'm literally just gonna dunk it straight in. Whoa, beautiful. And I'm gonna cut it into triangles. Looks pretty good, right? I'm gonna make a few more and then we'll do a time check and then we'll fry them. I feel like we've got quite a nice ratio, quite a lot of bread. But again, this is personal preference. I just like it extra crunchy. I personally love a takeaway. I think even though I do a lot of cooking, it's nice to come home and just not have to do any work. I'm lazy. So I'm on my last one. I'm just gonna slice this up. I don't have 16 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I do. 16. Wow, that's crazy. Okay, so time check. Okay, I have 10 minutes. I think we can do it. These are ready to go in. I'm gonna put them sesame side down. That's what we wanna cook. That's where the prawns are. And then we'll flip it over right at the end. Delicious. Oh my God, he's 4 minutes away. I'm stressed. Oh no, he's here. Okay, I'm gonna take these out. Okay, I'm gonna flip these and then I'm gonna go get him. Actually, I'm gonna put some more in. I dropped something. Hello. Hey. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day. I lost. Well, and takeaway beat me, but to be fair, I'm making 16. I think they've delivered 4. We'll get these last ones fried and then we'll plate them up and maybe I'll win the taste test. Here it is, my homemade prawn toast. There's a lot of it, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's better. So let's see what we've got in the bag. What is that? Someone ate half my prawn toast. That is outrageous. They've just taken a little baguette. This was £7.50. This was £14 including delivery. This is almost double, but this could taste amazing. This could be worth £14. So I think we have to taste it now. Minimal crunch, a bit chewy. Not awful, but not good. Let's try mine. Great crunch. I don't want to toot my own horn, but I'm gonna toot it. This is way better, so much better. I may have lost the battle, but I won the war. I definitely won on portion size and I think improve on the texture and the flavor, but it's not up to me. We've got to get someone else in, taste test, and let me know what they think.
Is that your one?
Yeah, that's my one.
Brilliant. That's got you written all over it.
Yep.
Hard not to be amazing, isn't it? Well, you don't like it?
No.
It's so good.
We have this one now.
That one.
It's a lot better. Delicious.
Needs a bit of salt.
It does. What would you give this one?
7.
I'm going to give that one a 6.5.
I'm quite offended that you gave
No, but
that one a 7.
I would still be really, really happy that I had that in my order. That one for me gets an 8.
I would go for maybe 8.7.5 because it just tastes like a bit more love's gone into it, and it tastes fresher. There are more flavours.
Can you guess how much this was and how much this was?
£5. And what to make all of this together? £12.
Yeah, I'm gonna go £5. And for that, don't know, I think £12 it. Wait, you said 5 and 12?
Yeah.
Didn't even affect my answers, and that's what I think it should.
So this, for 4 pieces of this, £9.80.
Yeah.
Excluding delivery.
Excluding delivery.
So this was £14.
No.
Shocking.
Yep. This, £7.50.
For the whole plate?
Yeah.
That's
amazing.
£3.
And which was faster?
But this was technically faster.
But not by much.
But not by much.
What
It was actually pretty close.
Cooking is better. Cooking is good.
Go away.
Right.
And here. Thanks, guys.
Okay.
So, I lost the race, but I think I proved that you can spend less money and get more bang for your buck if you make it at home. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you next time.